Hello everyone. I wanted to compare these four knives today, which are very similar but not entirely. So we have the Evolution 14, Super Tinker, Climber, and Pioneer X. Similar but not entirely, and we'll see that. So I think it's interesting if you are you want a knife. So it's a three layer with the scissors, the main blade, and opening layer for the four of them. So in each case we have the main blade. So I'm not showing this one because it's exactly the same. So here are the main blades. So this one is a bit larger. Not maybe a bit longer. You see the Wenger is also a bit larger compared to the 91mm. For the thickness, it's pretty much the same thing. Of course, the Alox is thicker. Next we have, with the main blade, we have here the reamer punch. On the 91mm we have the small blade. On the Wenger we have a nail file. So we have something different in each case, except those two. These two, of course. I'm not showing this one because it's the same. Then you have the scissors. So for these three, it's the same scissors, or Alox as the same as well. But here we have the Wenger knives. So you have a different spring. They are very powerful scissors as well. Very good. So that's not a problem. But as you know, Victorinox bought Wenger, but they kept manufacturing some of the knives from Wenger, as this one, the Evolution S14. But they kept also these scissors, as you can see. Then you have the opening layer. So same here. Here also it's the same, except this one is slightly larger, thicker as well. And the Wenger, so it's not the Wenger, but you have the same but smaller, I think. For the can opener and the bottle opener, so different, smaller. That's really the Wenger bottle opener. And if you push here, there is a locking system. It can close. So that's from Wenger, of course, this system. If we talk about the back, here it's really fast. There's nothing for the locks. Here we have, in one case we have the Phillips. In this case we have the same things, except we have the corkscrew, of course. So exactly the same knives, Super Tinker, Climber, except the corkscrew and Phillips. On this one we just have the corkscrew and the reamer. So that's the main differences. Here we have nothing, here we have corkscrew, Phillips, here we don't have the hook. And the other difference is here we have the reamer, here it's small blade, and here it's a nail file. Of course we have the tweezers, toothpick, here, also for the 14, and we have nothing with the A-locks, of course. They are very close, but maybe you will prefer one of them. The A-locks, of course, is really beautiful with these scales. Other thing to say, here we have 76 grams. For this two here we have 84 grams. And this one 94.5 grams. We have 9 functions. The three knives here we have 14 functions. The thickness, and this one is the thicker, I think, 20 millimeters. Here 17, 18, I think. And the locks is the thinner with 15 millimeters. So yeah, I think it was interesting to compare these knives, as you may not be aware of these 4 models that exist. This one, of course, is 85 millimeter, so here 91 and here 93, so it's pretty much the same thing, but this one is smaller, so maybe interesting for the pocket, but is also thicker. So, of course, tell me in the comment section what you think about them. If you have a preference, hope this video might help some of you if you are willing to buy one of them. And of course, take care and see you for the next video. Bye-bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any